Another question that I received was, I am a CS aspirant and why should I study economics? I am not here to become an economist. A very valid question. Let me take another example and try to explain or give answer to this question. Say there is a man who is 6 feet tall, is sleeping in a place which is around 20 degrees. That means the place is on the colder side. Unfortunately, this man has a blanket which is 4 feet in length. So if he tries to cover his feet, his upper body gets exposed. If he tries to cover the upper body, the feet gets exposed. Now here, this example is a perfect one to make us understand why a CS should study economics. Don't see blanket as a blanket, but as the resource. The man there is not a man, but a firm to which you are advising. Every firm that comes to you will face a similar situation where they will have problems with the available resources. So how do you manage with those limited resources and give them the best of the advice to run their show is very important. Economics is less of a subject and more of a tool. It prepares us to deal with the scarcity. Scarcity may be with respect to money, people, knowledge, capacity, technology, anything. So how do we deal with all this is very important. That's why a CS should be good in economics as well. To make it easy for you all, we have recorded the video classes on economics subject. The link for the course is available in the description. You can click on the link, register yourself and start preparing yourself for the economics subject. Thank you so much.